beautiful babes, your girl Sweet Angel, and welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Y'all, today, so I wanted to share with y'all that I did an Amazon haul, and that is where I'm getting most of my nail supplies at. So I have a new product that I wanted to share with y'all. So come on down and let me show you what I got. So today, y'all, I have two products I wanted to share with y'all. The first one I wanted to talk about is this professional purple wood Kolinsky acrylic nail brush. This I ordered from Amazon, and these actually come in sizes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. I did get it in size 10. What's great about this is made with high quality, pure Kolinsky hair, 100% pure Kolinsky hair. Now, I don't know a lot about it, but I wanted to share with y'all, after all of the reviews and videos and information that I've seen regarding this particular brush, this is what I know and or have heard, is that it is the best kind of hair to use when you're actually doing acrylic nails. So I'm just gonna open it up here. Okay, it did have a little cover on there, which I'll probably keep that. And okay, nice big brush. So there she is. And it comes with a purple handle on it. Again, this is to do acrylic nails. I thought I would work better probably using a larger size brush. That's why I ended up getting the size 10. I've done or attempted to do acrylic nails on myself before, but I'm getting ready to try it again. And let me see if there's any additional information here in the box that I do need to share with y'all, other than what I've already gone over, other than the Kolinsky nail brush, 100% Kolinsky. This is from their Pana limited collection. This is Pana. Yes, that is the seller, the Pana Kolinsky brush. They're made for professional use and doing your manicures to perfection. And again, the most important thing, it's made out of high-end quality Kolinsky hair. Now, of course, these are not cheap depending on where you go to get them. This one will run you about $25 to $30. So that is the first item I wanted to share with y'all. And I am going to try to, oh, I guess I won't be able to put it back in there. Well, you know, I could push it the other way, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna mess up the hair on it. So I'm just gonna set that aside, and let's go ahead and check out the other item that I got. Stay little brush. So I guess I'll be able to put my Kolinsky a brush to use, because here I have the Memphis professional clear acrylic powder in a 4-ounce size, along with the acrylic liquid in the 5-ounce size, which the liquid is of course like monomer. And this is the acrylic nail kit for doing your acrylic nails, again from Memphis. Came in this cute packaging. That's what really got my attention. I was like, oh, that's so cute. So since I'm starting from scratch, I wanted to get just a smaller size of everything, because of course, you know, I don't know if this is something that I will be able to do on myself, or if, you know, it's something that I'm just going to try for one time and give it up. So I did want to go extreme. So this actual kit comes with, should be about everything that you may need in order to do your acrylic nails, that I was reading the information. And it costs like $25, $24.98. So what I'm going to do is just open this up. It should include the 5-ounce monomer, 4 ounces of clear acrylic powder, a dipping jar as a free gift. So let's go and tear into this box. This box is so cute. I don't want to tear it up, but I know I probably won't keep it. I don't know. Okay, just on top here. So just showing you how clueless I am. It does come with these, I think these are called the forms or something like that, where you can actually build your nail, a longer nail, which I've never done that before. I'm not sure if I'm going to try doing that. I don't know. So I'm going to set this aside. And I suppose this must be the, yes, instruction manual, which, yeah, I'll probably need that. So there you go. Okay, no, these are called like nail extensions. Okay, nail extensions. So now I know. Let me just keep this handy because your girl might need to understand what she got in her little box. That's where I'm messing up at. All right, let's stick in here. I guess I'll just have to go ahead and pull out the monomer. Oh, cute little size. This is 5 ounces of acrylic liquid, they call it, but it is also known as monomer. And let's see if it's extra strong or what. Yeah, it's extra strong. Smells just like a nail salon for sure. It does come in a little squeezy bottle, so you won't have to worry about wasting a lot of it out. It's got a little hole there, so it is convenient so that you won't waste a lot of it. So that is that. And then you have your free little dipping jar here, which is nice. I may use that. I may not. I'm not sure. Let's see how this works. Okay, it just pops open. I guess it pops open. There you go. And you can just put your little powder. You can pour a little powder, I guess acrylic in here, and some monomer, and have it as a quick little easy, you know, do it right here from the little holders. And then we have the acrylic powder here. This is in clear, so I don't have to worry about any color, and it's a nice size jar. I mean, I'll have this jar probably much longer than I'll have the actual monomer, so that's good. Now, I know there are pros and cons sometimes to using some products or brands that are not necessarily the most well-known. I don't know, but again, just to play around with this set, I think is so cute. That is so amazing. So I have everything right here that I need to do my acrylic nails. Plus I have my instruction manual, I have my brush, I have my dap-in dish here with, like I said, I can actually put acrylic on one side and the monomer on the other side, and I also have the nail extensions as well. So this is the entire kit, and I think it's so cute. Of course, excluding the brush, which is sold separately, but this is it, everything to do my acrylic nails, and we're going to try it real soon here on the channel, so stay tuned for that. And there you go, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you did in fact find something that may interest you as you start your nail DIY process, okay? So I'm glad I could help if in fact I did. If I did, or you just enjoyed the video, or you just enjoyed hanging out with me, go ahead and drop a like on the video. Yes, please like, drop me a comment. If you don't have anything to say, drop me some hands down in the comments. And guess what? You got to keep up with me, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and also turn on the bell so you'll be in the know the next time I got a good one for you. I am your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now, and I'll see you on the next video. And make sure you keep those hands looking gorgeous. Yeah.